Hello, everyone. This is David Lewis with your tip of the week. And today I want to talk to you about why buyers lie. You see, buyers lie out of a fear of being sold something they don't want, a fear of buying too soon without looking at all of their options. And buyers lie out of a fear of being taken advantage of by a fast-talking salesperson. Unfortunately, it does not benefit us if they lie. It sends us in the wrong direction of the lot. Many times we select the wrong car, and it can mentally frustrate us when we don't get the sale. So, how do you stop buyers from lying? Well, the answer is simple. Stop asking them questions they will lie about. Stop asking them for their budget, trade information, or timeline to buy a car. Stop the absurd trial closes like, if we can come together on terms and numbers, will you buy the car today? Focus on the three fundamentals. Find a car they love, make them like you, and then get them to want to do business with your dealership. You see, if you come across like a salesperson, you will be feared like a salesperson. If you come across as someone who genuinely cares about them, then they will return that with accepting you as a person they would want to buy a car from. So, are buyers liars? Yes, they are, but only if you let them. Good luck, everyone, and as always, please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.